Now we're going to take up one more problem on projections of lamina. The problem number 124. A circular lamina of 50 mm diameter is standing with one of its points on the rim on HP, and the lamina is inclined at 45 degrees to HP. The diameter at right angle to the diameter which is passing through the point on which the lamina rests is parallel to VP, and draw its projections. So this is the problem. How to solve this problem? By using AutoCAD software. So first, this is the final solution what you're going to get. So to do that, so first we'll go for the AutoCAD screen, and you switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. The command is limits. So here lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner is 297, 210. Then go to zoom all. Then go to line, select some arbitrary point and give the direction through the mouse and enter 297. So here 210, then here it is 297, and then say close. Then go to zoom extends, zoom 0.6x. Then go to layer, click on new, type the layer by name front view. Click on new, type the layer by name top view. Click on new, type the layer by name XY. So here line weight of 0.05. 0 will have 0.05 because the projector lines have been assigned. Then the front view will going to have 0.5 because front view lines, and the top view lines will going to be again 0.5, and the XY line will going to be having 0.13. And then the top view color will going to be magenta color, and the front view will going to have this blue color, and then say close. Now we want to draw the solution. So circle of diameter 25. Take the circle, and here you take diameter as 50, diameter as 50, so you type 50. Then go to PD mode, take the PD mode as 3. Then go to divide the circle into 12 equal segments. So number of segments is 12. So now we got this. Then go to regenerate, then go to line. So you just go to draw a line. So here just go to zoom window, then go to line, take node of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly, node of this, take perpendicular to this, then go to node, select this, perpendicular to this, then node, line, take node of this and perpendicular to this. Now you just go to fillet between this line and fillet between these two. Then go to select this, go to layer, make that layer as front view. Then you just go to erase. So you just erase, you take this entire thing and then go to remove the circle from the selection. So then just go to break. Select this first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then go to mirror, select this and you mirror these three, and then go to nearest point on this. So you take nearest on this. Then you just go to select, go to layer, make that as top view. Then you switch on the line weight display. Then go to zoom previous, then you move this entire thing, and now you just copy the first position to the second position, rotate by an angle of 45 degrees. So to do that, so here you just go to copy, select this entire thing, copy, select this entire thing and copy to the next position, and then go to rotate this entire thing by an end of this by 45 degrees. So once you do that, then go to zoom, select this, go to line, take end point of this, and then go to line, take end point of this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two, and then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and this as the object to trim. Then go to line, take int of this, and then go to line, take int of this, then go to line, take end point of this and perpendicular to this line. Similarly, take endpoint of this and draw perpendicular to this line. So then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim as these two. Then go to line, take endpoint of this and take endpoint of this line. Similarly, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line, and go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim as these two. Then go to line, take endpoint of this and draw. Then draw line int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. And then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. So now this will going to form an ellipse. So to do that, go to ellipse, take the center point, take int of this, axis endpoint of the ellipse as endpoint of this, and this as int of this. So once you do that, now we have the layer, make that layer as top view. So now you just go to break first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point and then break, select this first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point and take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then go to line, take int of this, then you just you select this. Okay, now we go for line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and then from here you take this int and then draw this. Then go to copy, select this entire thing and copy to the next position, and then you just rotate this by an angle of 90 degrees. So to do that, then go to rotate, select this entire thing, rotation angle by 90 degrees. Now here this line will going to have this, so then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and then go to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two. The next thing is, so we need to take these two and from these two we want to draw. So to do that, so go to line, take int of this and draw the horizontal line, and similarly from here you draw int of this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. So then just go to trim, select these two and trim between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and then go to line, take int of this. So which are these two lines? Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. So similarly you just go to trim, select between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. So now you just have a line, so you just draw this. Once you have this, then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this, then go to intersection point of this line and take int of this and take intersection point of this. Then you just take this line and take int of this and take intersection point of this, then int of this and then int of this, and then go to int of this and then go to int of this and say close. Then go to p edit, select this, enter, join, select this entire thing, and then enter fit curve. Then you just go to P-edit, select fit. So this is how you will be able to get the curve. So now you just select this and go to layer, make that layer as front view. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing, and then go to zoom and take window. Now we go to DDIM, then go to modify, then primary unit precision you make it 0, then go to text, take the text height as 3, center becomes above, aligned with the dimension line. So this dimension is 3. So take the symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, and then go to lines, take the offset from the origin as 3, and say OK, and say close. Now we will going to have dim, take INT of this, and take intersection part of this. So you are going to get it as text. So take percentage C, diameter symbol, so 5. So you're going to get it as this. Then go to angular, select between these two. So you will go to get it as dim TAT. So take this as 45 degrees. Then go to the text. So you have layer 0. So you change this to layer XY. So once you do that, then go to the text. Select this text height as 3. Then rotation angle as 0. So put the caps lock on, VP and HP. So here you mark this as Y. So here you mark this as A, then D, G, K. A, D, G, G and K. So here you mark this as A dash, you mark this as D dash, and in the bracket you mark this as K dash, and here you mark this as G dash. So once you do that, then go to move, switch off the ortho mode. So you mark this here VP, and this as HP, and this as Y. So you just move A, you move this as D, and you move this as G, and you move this as K, and this as A dash, and this as D dash, and this as K dash, and this as G dash. Now you just copy this, go to layer, make that as front view. So you just click on these 4 and HP, move that layer as top view. So then you just go to copy this A dash here, and you copy this D dash here, you copy this K dash here, and this as G dash here. So you copy next, A should come here, and D should go there, and G, okay. So then you just copy. So you take A here, and that A will come here. So this D will come here, and that D will go here, and this G will come here, and that G will go here, and this K will come here, and that K will go here. So once you do that, then go to the text. So here you mark this as A dash, this as D dash, this dash as G dash, and this as K dash. Once you do that, then go to move, select K dash, you select this A dash, you select this G dash, you select this as D dash. Then you just go to select these two, and you select these two, and go to layer, make that layer as front view. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing by using AutoCAD software. So this will going to be your final solution, and this solution and this solution is almost one and the same. So this is how you will be able to complete the drawing by using AutoCAD software. Thank you.